So hello friend, good afternoon. This is afternoon time and welcome back in this video. And today I'm gonna tell you that how you become a fluent speaker. So first, thanks to support me because this is my new channel and most of people they don't know. First I will introduce about myself. My name is Anamya and I am from UP and I am a teacher also. So let's start our topic because I don't want to waste your time and my also because time is very precious for everyone. So I don't want to waste your time. So let's start our topic. I want to say, friends, if you want to be a fluent speaker, so first try to speak whatever you know, try to speak because I know many students, many people have no vocabulary, but yeah, whatever you know, try to speak, try to make sentence, try to talk in English with anyone, with everyone, with try to talk with your friend. So first I want to say that if you want to be a fluent speaker, so this is the most important things that you should do. You must do practice. Without practice you can't speak, and without practice you can't think that you become a fluent speaker because practice is most important things. And second thing is vocabulary. Without vocabulary we can't speak also because when we don't know that English words, so how we can speak. So this is the second thing also very important in our life. And third thing, try to write. When you are learning something new, try to write in your notebook and try to speak and try to write and try to conversation, try to speak with others so you can speak very well without any hesitation. So so I don't actually, this is the short things, but yeah, you can if you follow these things, so definitely you will achieve your goals. If you want to be a fluent speaker, so definitely you will achieve because this is not a Herculean task. This is piece of cake. You can do it. Don't think that you can't do it. Try to speak, try to practice. And if you think that you have no anyone, so you have a cell phone, you have a mirror, and you are enough for yourself. So try to first recognize yourself that you can do it and motivate yourself. You can do it, you are able to do it. Okay, actually, there I used to practice alone at my home. I talk to myself without I talk to myself, not anyone, because there are no one were talking with me, so that's why. So I want to say that try to speak alone because you are enough for you. And if you want to be a fluent speaker, so you can, I'm saying you can. If you try, don't give up, try to give your best, and I'm always here for support you. Yeah, and don't judge me as a teacher. Actually, I want to also learn this language, and I just want to suggest my journey, that how I am able to speak English. Actually, I am also a villager, and I am also a villager, and in my side no one speak English. So that's the reason. That's why I want to speak English, and I want to teach to you all. And whatever I know, I will teach to you. And yeah, I will learn also from you guys. If I am doing mistakes, so please tell me also. So first thing I want to say, when I used to learning this language, no one is supporting to me also. And but I never thought that I will speak in future. But you can, you are saying that I am speaking in front of you, and many people are laughing at me that what she will do in future. And you can see I am speaking in front of you. This is not a proud. This is just I want to suggest to you that if you want to speak, so definitely you can. Actually, my parents they don't know that I'm making video and I come on my roof, so there is no wind area, so there is very hotness. That's why I'm feeling much I'm feeling much nervous. Not, I'm not feeling much nervous. Actually, here is much sweating is perspiring on my body, with in my body. So don't think about it. Yeah, second thing I want to share that why I come on YouTube. Actually, I saw the many people where I was learning this language, they are taking 5,000. in per one student. Per one they take 5,000. So this is very costly for villager. So I thought that whatever I know I will teach on YouTube and many people will get from me. So this is the good things, and I want to share my personal experience. And you can't say that I'm a fluent speaker. I'm just able to speak, and I want to teach, and I want to learn from you. Yeah, if you think that this video is useful for you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I will meet you in next video. Bye bye, take care to all of you.